Hello guys, welcome back sa ating YouTube channel, Badass Official. For today's video guys, mag-gym tayo. Guys, bago tayo pupunta ng gym, mag-CR muna tayo guys. Mag-CR muna tayo bago tayo pupunta ng gym. Kasi malayo yung CR doon, yung gym namin ay walang CR. Kaya mag-CR muna tayo pang 1 hour to. Kung abutin tayo ng 1 hour mag-gym, so nakapag-CR na tayo. CR muna tayo mga kaibigan. So tapos na tayo mag-CR. Balik tayo doon sa labas. Mag-wash lang muna tayo ng ating ang ating kamay. Kasi nag-CR tayo, so kailangan natin magwawash ng ating kamay. So bago tayo mapunta ng gym. Hello! Hello! Supervisor, how are you? Bago tayo magpunta ng gym, mag-drop muna tayo ng uniform. Punta na tayo ng elevator, guys. Alam niyo ba guys na yung yung selfie stick ko ay nagalaw-galaw na. May ano na siya. Sira na. Sila. Yung talagang yung si Rogelio Pantaleon. Ang pangit talaga ng ugali nun. Yung hindi mo alam kung yung sa Bisaya pa ay bugal-bugalon. Kung sa kantahan naman lang naman, ay walang yun sa akin. Walang panama yun sa akin. Kasi sabi na magaling daw din siya kumanta. Eh nung competition naman, hindi naman siya sumali. Sinabi ko na siyang sumali pa magkita sana yung magkita sa... Ay pare, why like this? So, hi, welcome guys. Welcome sa ating Ramrocha.
Everyone inside of live.
Ramrocha and Asik. This one is who? And just introduce your name, Raj Kumar. And this one is Nadir Hussain from Bangladesh. Bangladesh.
Yes. I am from Philippines.
Philippines.
Yes.
And this guy from China.
India.
China.
Kung Fu Master.
Kung Fu Master si Ramrocha. Yeah, and then what are you doing guys? Cooking in the kitchen?
We are going to cooking, brother.
Okay, so we are going together cooking. We're cooking together and check our Laura. Hi everybody, good evening. Check our Laura. Ay, Laura. So Watiti. So nag-drop na tayo yung uniform. So punta na tayo ng gym. Bye guys. Come. So dito na tayo pumunta ng gym. Ito yung gym natin. Gym timing from 4 AM to 12 AM. Please, no food or beverage drink allowed inside. Oh, wow. Too much people coming here. So, masayaw-sayaw na si Dodong. Iba talaga yung mga karisma ni Dodong. Microphone.
Mic check. Mic check, sir. Mic check.
Mic check. Mic check. So tapos na tayo ng gym. Ito yung trainer. Yan. Tapos na tayo ng gym. Pauwi na tayo. So pack up na tayo sa ating dadalhin. Tubig. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Yeah. Oblat. Vlog. Hi, vlog.
How are you, my friend?
Hello, my friend. Where you
How
from?
are you?
Where you from, my friend?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. From Dhaka?
No, Kumilla.
Manila. I'm from Philippines.
All good?
Yeah, all good. All thank you.
Subscribe, please. Subscribe.
Please subscribe my YouTube channel,
Like,
Baras
share,
Official.
and comment. Too much like, share, and comment, and subscribe.
Subscribe. You have YouTube channel?
No.
No, make YouTube channel and then
yeah.
we will subscribe each other. From Patan. Now picture again. Picture, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm waiting for the elevator, guys. So tapos na tayo nag-gym tayo. So number 2 yung elevator. So now the elevator is stuck in number 2. So now they're coming number 1 and then ground floor. Okay, number 1, ground floor. Please comment and subscribe my YouTube channel.
Subscribe. Too much subscribe.
Subscribe. Done your dinner? So, what is your name?
My name is Siam.
Sham.
Siam.
Siam.
Yeah.
S-I?
SIYAM.
S-Y-A-M. Nice name. Muslim?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So, how many years here in Dubai?
Only 5 months.
5 months. So, okay, enjoy. Okay. So, dito na tayo, paalis tayo. So, maglalaba si Iswar. Martes si Iswar, oh. Palagi siya naglalaba. Cleaning Iswar, too much. Yeah, very clean boy. Kitcharere. Okay. So, magubad na tayo ng sapatos. Oh, my friend. How are you? Good? So, dumaan yung friend natin, which is from Pakistan. So, magubad natin ang sapatos. Medyo may amoy yung paa ko, guys. Kasi, nag-ano tayo doon sa ano. So, yun lang muna, dito lang muna yung vlog natin, guys. Papasok na ako sa room. So, matutulog na tayo. Maglinisan ng mukha tapos magpatutulog natin. Bye-bye!